So let's go to Germany.
UN Human Rights Chief Volker Turk appeals for calm in Pakistan-administered Kashmir amid a wave of unrest ahead of regional elections at the end of the month. Dozens of people, mostly protesters but also law enforcement personnel, have reportedly been killed since June ahead of the vote for the Legislative Assembly on the 27th of July. We call for prompt, thorough and impartial investigations into all deaths that have occurred due to the unrest, both amongst protesters and members of the security forces. The Joint Awami Action Committee, or the JAAC, a movement behind the protests comprising traders, transporters, students, lawyers, activists,